Hello, this is Laura. Welcome to day 40 of your English Fluency Challenge. Today, we are going to work on something extremely important, thinking fast and responding instantly in English. Because real conversations do not wait for you. People speak and you need to respond in the moment. Let me ask you something honestly. When someone speaks to you in English, do you understand but still take time to reply? Do you translate in your mind before speaking? That is what we're going to improve today. Today, you will learn how to think directly in English and respond without hesitation. Let me tell you something important. Fluency is not about knowing more words. It is about using the words you already know quickly and naturally. So today, we will train your brain to respond faster. Let's start with a simple idea. Do not translate. Think in English. For example, instead of thinking in your native language and then translating, say directly, "I am working on my English and I feel more confident." Keep it simple and direct. Now let's go deeper. Use ready phrases. These are short phrases that help you start speaking quickly. For example, you can say, "I think I feel like, in my opinion or from my experience." These phrases give you a quick start. Now let's practice. Someone asks, "What are you doing these days?" You respond, "I am focusing on improving my English and building better habits." This is simple and fast. Now let's move to your first exercise. It is called instant response. I will give you a question and you answer immediately. Question: What did you do today? You say, "Today I practiced my English and focused on my goals." Do not wait. Speak immediately. Now your second exercise is keep talking. Do not stop after one sentence. Add one more idea. For example, "Today I practiced my English, and I feel like I'm improving every day." This builds fluency. Now let's go deeper. Your third exercise is think while speaking. Do not wait to complete your sentence in your mind. Start speaking and build your idea as you go. For example, "I think learning English is important, and when I practice regularly, I feel more confident and comfortable." This is natural speaking. Now let's practice real conversation. Someone says, "I'm busy these days." You respond, "I understand, and I feel like many people are busy, but even a few minutes of practice can help." This is quick and natural. Now let's move to something powerful. Your fourth exercise is avoid silence. If you do not know what to say, still say something simple. For example, "That is interesting," or "I see your point," or "That makes sense." This keeps the conversation alive. And now let me share something important. Speed comes from practice, not pressure. The more you practice, the faster your brain responds. Now let me talk to you honestly. You have reached day 40. That means your English is not just fluent. It is becoming fast, natural, and automatic. You are learning to think and speak at the same time. This is real fluency. Now let's do one powerful exercise together. I will ask you a question and you answer instantly. Question: Why are you learning English? Start, "I'm learning English because." Continue immediately. Add one more idea. Keep going. Now let me give you one powerful tip. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Speaking fast is more important than being perfect. Now let's do one final practice. Imagine someone asks, "What are your future plans?" You respond, "I am planning to improve my skills and become more confident in communication, and I believe learning English will help me achieve my goals." This is quick and clear. Now, before we finish, I want you to take action. Write in the comments, day 40 complete. And this time, write one fast response about your goal. Keep it simple, but do not overthink. This is Laura, and remember, real fluency is not just speaking, it is thinking and responding instantly. I will see you in day 41. Keep going.